To apply vendor credit in QuickBooks, start by logging into your account on the QuickBooks website. From the left sidebar, select the Expenses option on the screen. Click on the New Transaction option. Then choose Vendor Credit from the drop-down menu. Next, select the vendor from the list and fill in all the necessary details. Click the Save and Close button to proceed. After that, open the Vendors section and choose the specific build where you want to attach the vendor credit. Select the desired build. Then click on the Make Payment option at the top of the screen. The vendor credit will now be applied, and you can verify this by checking the Credit section. Finally, click the Save and Close button to complete the process, and the vendor credit will be successfully applied to the chosen build.